My name is Mr. Bersese. I am the principal at Stephen Lewis Secondary. As you know, things are a little different this year, but we are so excited that you are coming to join us at Stephen Lewis next year. It is a great school and a great community. And even though things are a little different, we're not going to give up caring, and we're not going to give up making sure that you have the best possible experience. And you're going to hear it now for the first time, but you're going to hear it alive. Swim, shark, swim.
Hello parents and future SLSS Sharks. My name is Mr. Natesty. I'm the head of business here at Stephen Lewis Secondary School. I have a short amount of time to compete for your choice. Your choice for your elective in grade 9. Much like companies have to compete for your dollar, your hard-earned dollar. So the business program here at Stephen Lewis Secondary School is very robust. It builds a lot on skills that you need to compete in today's business world, or even if you're not going to go into business, into whatever area that you plan on going into. We offer courses in accounting, marketing, management, entrepreneurship, finance, but it all starts in grade 9 with our Introduction to Business Technology, a course that is designed to teach the technological skills needed to compete in today's tech-driven world. For those who also like competition but don't like the sweat, we also offer DECA, a sort of a business case Olympics. So please consider business as an option for next year and your years at Stephen Lewis Secondary School. Who knows? We might even be having the next Kevin O'Leary or Robert Herjavec right here in our very own Shark Tank. Thank you.
Hey, it's Mr. Cochran from the Phys Ed department at Stephen Lewis. I just wanted to take a quick second to welcome all of the incoming grade 9s. We're excited to have you at Stephen Lewis, and we're looking forward to working with you next year. In the meantime, if you have any questions about our program or anything that we do in Phys Ed at Stephen Lewis, feel free to contact any one of the members of our department. Thanks.
Hi everybody, Mr. Lane here from the Computer Science Department at Stephen Lewis Secondary School. What do we do in computer science? We tinker, we play. We teach you the foundations of programming up to advanced designs and algorithms, and then it's up to you to open those doors of opportunity. Are you going to end at something like tic-tac-toe? Or are you going to take that a little further? Are you going to build the next virtual reality game? Are you going to build the next Fortnite? I don't know. Maybe games isn't even your thing. Maybe you're going to get into some financial software. Who knows? It's up to you. But you got to walk through the door first. Hope to see you there.
Guidance, we're your team. Come on in, we're never mean. We support your team. It's true. Happy students, sometimes blue.
Come on in so you can see. Find us in room 103.
So, grade 8s, I'm Miss Ellis. Here's my picture. This is what I look like without my mask.
I'm Mr. Lewadinsky, and this is me without my mask.
I'm Mrs. Stevenson, and this is me without my mask.
I'm Mrs. DeVito, and this is me without my mask. I'm Miss Medowski, and this is me without my mask.
So we really look forward to seeing you in September, hopefully face to face. If you have questions, your grade 8 teachers will help you out, or they'll contact us. See you soon. Bye.
Hi, welcome to Visual Arts at Stephen Lewis. Here we like to dabble with all sorts of mediums, from charcoal to pen and ink to printmaking to architectural models, painting, along with sculpture and clay, pen and ink. We also have a great photography department who contributes regularly to the yearbook. So basically, we like to make stuff. If you like to make stuff, then think about all the great stuff you can make. Or maybe you like to play an instrument, like our friends over at Music. Just be creative.
Thank you, Mr. Catalano. Hello there. My name is Mr. Serpilia, and I'm the head of music here at Stephen Lewis Secondary School. If you decide to take music in grade 9, we have 3 different programs for you to choose from. We have our instrumental program, which is our band program, which consists of brass, woodwind, and percussion instruments. And the course code is AMI 101. If playing an instrument's not your thing and you like more singing, we also have a vocal program, course code AMV 101. And we also have a neat after-school program called Repertoire. So Repertoire is for those people who want to play concerts and performances. This is an after-school program, and it is worth 1 credit, and it is also a band program. So again, it's for woodwind players, brass players, and percussionists, and that is AMR 101. So we have 3 really neat programs for you if you decide to in grade 9, and you can continue these programs all the way up into grade 12. Thanks very much, and I'll send you over to Mr. Del Bianco in drama.
Oh, hello there. I'm Mr. Del Bianco. I'm the head of dramatic arts here at Stephen Lewis Secondary School. Really looking forward to seeing you in 2021. If you decide to take drama, we have this great room to work with. We'll be doing a lot of things, improv, voice work, puppetry, all kinds of stuff. I can't wait to see you guys. If you like drama, I hope to see you in my class.
Good evening, future grade 9 families, and welcome to the Family Studies Department at Stephen Lewis Secondary School. The Grade 9 Exploring Family Studies program focuses on the challenges faced by all people, how to meet basic needs, how to relate to others, how to manage resources, and how to become responsible members of society.
Hey grade 8s, and welcome to Stephen Lewis Secondary School. My name is Mrs. Murwar and I'm the department head of geography. In our department we have Mr. Kazakis, Mr. Caporici, Mr. Orfankos, and Mr. Hathaway, all teaching grade 9 academic and applied geography. We also offer grade 11 travel and tourism and grade 12 world issues. We're excited to have you here at Stephen Lewis.
Hello grade 8s. I'm Mrs. Makarenko, one of the teachers from the English department at Stephen Lewis Secondary School. We just want you to know that we're excited to meet all of you and that you should look forward to a fun, engaging, really valuable experience in one of our English courses next year. We'll see you then.
Hi everybody, my name's Miss Axsmith and I'm the head of math at Stephen Lewis Secondary School. I'm really looking forward to you coming to our school next year. Grade 9 math, definitely something new and interesting. We will be working together, learning, doing lots of exploration and thinking together, lots of problem solving and algebra, some geometry as well. I look forward to seeing you and meeting all of you and the excitement that we're going to share in math class next year.
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Sadiq. I'm the department head of science at Stephen Lewis Secondary School. We're very excited to welcome you. I'm going to introduce you to my partner in crime.
Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Havelock. I'm also one of the science teachers at Stephen Lewis Secondary School. Welcome to Stephen Lewis. We are so excited to have many of you joining us this year and so excited to teach you science, and we are looking forward to meeting you very soon.
We have a great lineup of teachers here. We have a variety of courses, including biology, chemistry, and physics courses. You're going to have a ton of fun. We really wish we could do this in person, and hopefully we will meet very soon. Bye.
Bye.
Hi grade 8s, welcome to Stephen Lewis Secondary School. My name is Mr. Press. I'm the head of the Technological Studies program here at Stephen Lewis. As you can see over my shoulder, I'm standing in the construction shop. So when you take some of our courses in September, this is where you'll be spending most of your time. So please come on by. We look forward to seeing you in September. Come by, pop by, say hi, and can't wait to see you in Technological Studies in 2021. Be well. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Kim. I'm the co-op teacher at Stephen Lewis. Co-op is a course that you can take in grade 11 or 12. It basically allows students to work with a community partner and learn hands-on skills in the workplace. It's a great course to extend your learning beyond the classroom. Hope to see you there.
Hello grade 8s. Welcome to Stephen Lewis Secondary School. My name is Miss Santorelli. I am the student success teacher here. I work very closely with Ms. Sovran. We offer you support, academic support, support in your classes. Whether you need help with an assignment, you need help organizing, you need help with the content of the course, or you simply need an alternative space to work, we are here to help you at Stephen Lewis Secondary School Student Success. Thank you so much.
I'm really excited to welcome you to Stephen Lewis Secondary School and our future Sharks. I'm just going to briefly talk to you a bit about the History and Contemporary Studies Department. Here's a picture of some of us, and we're excited to welcome you here. So unfortunately, I don't get to see you, and the department really doesn't get to see you until grade 10. That's when our courses start. So in grade 10, you're going to take the grade 10 Canadian History course. It's different than what you've experienced in elementary school though, as it's more of a global course. So we're looking at World War I, World War II, a number of different events, and you'll also be taking the civics in grade 10 to learn more about Canadian government, how it works, etc. In grade 11 and grade 12, you can see that's where we have a lot of our electives. We have history courses, social justice, philosophy, law, politics, lots of different things to get you interested, to get you thinking, and we're excited. Here are just some pictures of some of the activities and learning that's going on in our department. So here is a number of our grade 10 students from a couple years ago. Over the last few years, we've had the opportunity to compete and participate in heritage fairs, which are student-based inquiry projects, and our students have done incredibly well. We're really proud of them making it to York Region, as well as winning a number of awards and going on to provincials. Over here you have this sad looking girl, but don't actually feel sorry for her. This is our mock trial experience, which is connected with the law, where students create teams with lawyers and students are witnesses, and they go before judges, real judges in real courtrooms, and they actually compete on a trial. It's an incredible experience, and we're really proud of our students and staff involved with this. And here are some pictures of some of the great learning going on in our classes, different ways of learning, connecting, and thinking about what's going on, as well as our students, particularly our grade 12s, taking on the roles as leaders and educating their fellow students. So as a department, we know that all students can be successful when given voice, choice, and support. You've got this, Sharks. Welcome to SLSS, and if you have the chance, check us out at SLSS History. We can't wait to meet you. Welcome to the school. It's going to be great.